Hi, my name is Attorney Reshard Alexander, and I'm known as the Big Rig Bull Texas truck accident lawyer. I help injury victims receive the care and compensation they deserve when they've been injured by the negligence, recklessness, or intentional wrongdoing of motor carrier companies and/or their truck drivers. If you've been injured while a passenger in a car by a heavy truck or 18-wheeler, give me a call today at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. Additionally, you can go to my website at HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer. That's HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer and download your free ebook titled Texas Car, Motorcycle, and Truck Accident Law: What the Injured Must Know. I wrote this with you in mind. So go to my website at HoustonTruckAccident.lawyer and download your free ebook today. Then give me a call at 713-766-3322. That's 713-766-3322. I look forward to discussing your personal injury case as well as providing you with a free personal injury consultation and helping you receive the care and compensation that you deserve.